Mighty fine good day. My name is Cale Harbert. I'm the Vice President of Product Marketing for Advanced Control Solutions. ACS is an automation solution provider located in the Southeast United States. We specialize in industrial controls, IIoT, machine vision systems, and industrial robotics. We were founded in 1996 with Opto 22 as our first product line that launched the company. Over the years, we've been able to grow and expand, covering 4 states with 4 offices in Georgia, Tennessee, Alabama, and Mississippi. Over that time, ACS has become an expert in traditional I/O management, using discrete and analog signals for industries such as HVAC for temperature and humidity control, food and beverage for recipe management, chemical for process control, and many other traditional type of I/O functionality. But in addition to that, ACS has become one of the leading experts in using Opto 22 for database management. Typically, this involves our machine vision products utilizing OCR for optical character recognition and industrial barcode readers. With that, we gather data on our customers' products and then utilize the power of Opto 22 to then bring that data in, format it, load it to a master database, either on a local server or cloud-based, and then be able to format that data to send to other industrial components such as label printers, which allows us to add value to the product as it moves through the manufacturing stream. One of the dramatic things, though, that has happened over the recent time is the ability of Opto 22 to be able to add IIoT functionality to their controllers. We showcase that here within our automation lab. This 1,200 square foot room allows us to be able to showcase the power of the new Opto Groove Epic controller. With the embedded IIoT functionality, we're able to take advantage of it within this room to be able to control things such as lighting control, door control, and other demos within this facility. Most notably, the power of this new Epic controller has allowed us to expand into the world of mobile collaborative robots. This is the type of robot that's typically used in a manufacturing facility to move either component parts or finished goods from one area to the next. The built-in functionality of Node Red to be able to send signals to control these robots and the power of the Groove View HMI allows us to develop custom solutions for operator interfaces, complex logic control, fleet management, and more sophisticated control characteristics that the robots could not handle on their own. We're also extremely committed to providing training to our customers. ACS has always had a strong heritage for providing training so our customers can learn about the products to maintain a low cost of ownership over time. We're proud to have on our staff an Opto 22 certified trainer, and we regularly offer classes in Snap Pack as well as Groove Epic controllers, not only in our facilities here in the Southeast, but on a custom basis throughout the continental U.S. The combination of ACS and Opto 22 allows us to bring a value and a solution base greater than what either one of us could provide on our own. With this in mind, the future is very exciting for all of us. Thank you.